My name is Bob Burfield. I am the service manager at Baker Cadillac. I've had an ongoing relationship with BG Services. I've dealt with them for approximately 8 years and a couple of other dealerships I've been involved with. They've always fulfilled every one of my needs and been very helpful. As far as maintenance goes, our dealership has always felt that we would prefer doing the maintenance up front. And the basic reason for that is it's far better for both us and our customers to get the maintenance taken care of at the lower pricing and make sure their vehicles are running properly and for a long time rather than having to talk about very costly repairs in the future. The biggest obstacle I've encountered in any service department has always been how do we gain and keep the trust of our customers. With the advent of the True Video system, we are now able to show it, guarantee that what's going on with their vehicle, have the customer understand and see what's really happening with their car.
Hi, my name is Brian Flynn and I work at Baker Cadillac. What I like about BG products is they work.
My relationship with our BG service distributor has always been a very important relationship to me. He's always been very helpful with new products coming out. Understanding of warranty, getting warranty coverage taken care of has been very helpful in keeping us going in the right direction. I would definitely recommend BG. Their prices are good, their service is phenomenal, and their product is absolutely the best.